Hey everybody, it's the Aussie Chick. Well, today I'm doing something different. Today I'm going to introduce you to my puppies. This one, this is Beans. Turn around, Beans, say hello. This is Beans. Beans is a little shy. Little shy. Beans is the first little girl out of the first litter. She is 1.5, this little girl. She's a very good girl. And this one is her brother. This is Lenny. This is Lenny. Hi, Lenny. That was Mum. Mum wants her ball. Mum is obsessed with the ball. Hello. Hi, this is Lenny. Lenny's got a bit of a sore eye at the moment. It's called cherry eye. Let's see if it'll show you. Because they rough play. He's going to have surgery at some point for that. But it's fine, doesn't hurt him, just looks a bit ugly. But he's still beautiful to us. This, with all the noise, this is Ralphie. Ralphie is the leader of the pack. He is the dad. The dad of Beans, the dad of Lenny. You can hear the puppies in the background having a bit of a play. We'll get them over here one by one. Okay, who's going to come next? Chester! Come on, Chester. Oh no, Brandy wants to say hello. Okay, come here, Brandy. We'll introduce you. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Don't, Ralphie. Don't, Ralphie. You're showing your true colours. Everybody shows what you like. Don't be grumpy. I'll let you introduce Brandy. This is Brandy. As you can see, this one thinks he owns everything. Look at Beans. There we go. We're going to turn around and show everybody your pretty face. Come here. Yeah, look at that. That's Mum. You can't see. Come here, Brandy. Good girl. Come here. We're going to show everybody your pretty face. Can I show everybody your face? That's Brandy. She's Mum. Brandy's about 3 years old. Ralphie's 2. Oh, here comes the others. Ah, good girl, Brandy. Okay, this one. This one is Stanley. Hey, Stanley. How are you? Hey, enjoying some sunshine on the veranda this morning. This one's Stanley. And Brandy was obsessed with her ball. And Mr. Grumblebum is just a Grumblebum. Chester, you going to come and say hello? Come and say hey, Chester. Come on, little boy. Come on. Hey, Chester. This is Chester. Okay. This is little Chester. He's the baby. These babies are 4 months old. They've just turned 4 months old. Both lots of puppies. The first litter with Beans and Lenny. They were born Valentine's Day. And the new litter was born a week before Valentine's Day. So this one's Chester. Oops. This one's Stanley. My 2 boys. Chester comes away with us on holidays. He's a good traveller. He comes with Ralph. Ralph comes with us everywhere. And this one is Miss Missy. Okay. This is Missy. As you can see, all my girls look the same. I have 3 girls. One, Brandy. Come over here, Brandy. Come and say hello. I know you're not doing that. Stop. You're not doing that. You're embarrassing yourself. Stop it. Good girl. That's the mama. And all the girls look the same. Little Missy's quiet like her sister. Okay. Boys are noisy, especially Dad. Dad's the grumpy one. Makes more noise than it is. Ralphie, stop it. No, I'm not doing that. So she's obsessed with the ball. But this is my gang. Whenever you ball, rumble and ball too, that's what it is. It's these guys. It's these guys. Hey, Stanley. Hey, Missy. Oh, you're beautiful. Good puppies. Good puppies. That's my gang. My little gang. So there's 7. 7 of them. Yeah. He likes to voice his opinion. Anyway, that's my gang. Just thought I'd do a meet and greet. I'll see if I can catch some other pictures later. Brandy says hi. Ralphie says hi. Big brother with the little babes. Yes, Brandy. Good girl. Good girl. Mr. Ralphie. Mr. Ralphie. Chester's chewing. Chester. It's Penelope. Miss Maggie. Good morning, Miss Maggie. Well, I hope you enjoyed meeting my puppies today. They are all beautiful. I love them all. Definitely keep me busy, that's for sure. Yes, we are keeping all 7 of them. And for anyone that's asking, Mum's been desexed, Dad's been desexed. The 2 older puppies have been desexed. And as soon as the young ones are old enough, they will be desexed. It's called being a responsible owner. My cats are both desexed too. And that's what you be when you're responsible. My animals do not roam. My cats do not go outside at all. They are all housebound. They only go out on a leash. Not the cats. They don't like that. They're happy in their home. They've got heaps of room to play. Anyway, thanks for being here. Like and share and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Say hi to a stranger. Share some kindness. Share some love. We know the world needs it. And it costs nothing to be nice. And you never know what a simple smile could do to someone's day. It could just change their whole day. Try it. You never know. Anyway, take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.